What's up, guys? Today we're at the hill with the ZD Racing RC truck that we just did a speed test on yesterday to see if this will be able to climb up the hill. It does have some problems, so this should be a lot of fun. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Amelia is taking a nap and Popeye is back at home. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. If you're new to our channel, just know that we have tons and tons and tons of RC content that is family friendly. Everybody can watch, and you don't have to turn your speakers down and be afraid of who might be hearing. Unless you're just embarrassed because we're stupid and we have fun. Maybe you should turn your speakers down, because if your pro buddy is listening, you will be very embarrassed to let him know that you watch the RC Sailors. We are going to have some fun today with this brushless, ready to run ZD Racing RC truggy car thing that will probably not be able to make it up the hill, because if you remember in the speed test that we did yesterday, we had some motor issues. It sounded like the gears were kind of slipping in there. Now, we're not here to sell you things. We're here to show you things and to have fun with the RC hobby. Listen to that wind. Is the dead cat working on the mic? I hope so.
I think it has been pretty well, like way better than before.
It's a small dead cat on a very small mic, but I think it sounds pretty good. Let us know what you think in the comments below. So let's power this on and see if it can make it up the hill. Now, normally when we drive stuff, we're always very appreciative of what we have. But I'm telling you now, going into this, to prepare for something to break.
I don't think this is gonna survive.
If it doesn't break on the hill, it'll probably break on the ramp that we brought. So let's do this. Listen, I want people to hear this.
Oh yeah, one more time.
For those of you that did not see the speed test video, why are you not subscribed to our channel? But check this out. Hear that? That was full throttle. It just kind of sounds like it has this, like a slipper clutch in there, but I don't think it does.
Something
it's only like $150, $160. It used to be $130 when we bought it, but I think someone out there is like upselling it. Oh, there it got stuck on the root, and then see, watch, that's throttle forward, and it
can't even go up the hill.
I really want this to make it up one time before that thing completely breaks. Okay, we're just gonna give it a run. Video. Might be a very short video. Come on, baby, come on. Now, I'm not saying this thing will be junk at the end of the video, but okay, we made it.
Barely.
We did make it. Good job, little truck. Now, you know, this will be a good project for somebody to work on and fix. Probably not me. Probably going to end up on the eBay store.
Which is linked in the description box.
Yeah, we'll have a link down there. I need to take some time to list a few things. I got to do this hill one more time before we start ramping. So let's do this. Actually, I should be fair. Let's have you.
Thank you.
I feel bad for this RC because when I pulled it out of the box, I thought, wow, this thing looks really awesome. Now, we've had this for like a year and a half now.
It gets to the tip top and it's like, I don't know.
Yeah.
It's like Thomas the Train.
Had it for about a year and a half, but I think it got pushed to the back of some boxes or something, and I didn't even realize we had it. That poor little thing. I'm gonna go about halfway up the hill so you guys can hear this. Let's do it. Oh. No, okay, all right. Oh, that is awful. That is awful. Something is slipping or breaking. Could be, I mean, we've never really had anything sound like that. Usually when they grind and they sound bad, they really grind.
This is whining.
It's whining, yeah. It almost sounds like ESC issues or something, like an electrical issue. Strange.
It's a first.
Let's get the ramp.
Might as well. Oh, the whine.
I know. I'm trying to ease into the throttle too, so we can actually get a few ramps out of this. Here we go.
Oh my gosh, that was high.
That's pretty good.
What? That's crazy. Here we go again. That was such a good ramp, the last one. Let's see about this one. Wow, oh, that was so good, Nate. Well, apparently this buggy, truggy truck can ramp. You are getting so good. I can't even hit it, meanwhile. Don't hit me.
It's gonna be close.
Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I tried to hold it as long as I could.
Abby, go lay under the ramp.
No.
Go lay under the ramp.
Are you serious?
No, I'm not serious.
You would miss if I did that.
Probably. Look at this, full throttle, full throttle. Come on, you can do it, truck.
Oh,
fun?
the line.
Go like.
All right, I'm still really scared to sit here. No.
Abby's at it. I think she'll do good with this because this truck, or truggy or whatever, stadium truck, it holds really straight. So I think she'll do well. See? Oh, okay. You hit it. This poor vehicle. I like this though. I like how well it's running, so I might actually keep this and work on it. Not bad. Okay. You got it, Abby. Yeah, it holds straight, doesn't it? Yeah. Go farther down. Get more speed. She's actually hitting this faster than she hits most, most vehicles with it. I think she's kind of afraid to, but it's kind of a good feeling knowing that we're okay with braking this because we just hit it full throttle on the asphalt. Ugh, don't recommend this. That's full throttle. It's taking a while to get up to speed, but that's a good ramp. This thing drives really well. I know she's full throttle right now. Poor little thing. It's struggling. I think it's slipping a little bit more. Let's see. I want to get a little bit lower here. Full throttle. It's struggling. Yeah, it's struggling. It's cool though. Oh, listen to it. Yeah, that's it. We finally killed it. That ramp did it. Ah, that poor thing. First, we never tried to break stuff. And we weren't even really trying to break this. We just wanted to have some fun with it. We knew it was gonna break. That's what Abby said. Guys, ZD Racing usually does pretty good, but in this case, just something wasn't lined up right.
I blame the stupid spoiler.
It was all this piece of plastic, that's what broke it all. No, I like how this runs. I might take the time to work on it, but don't be surprised if you see it in our eBay store because someone else out there is going to be more capable of fixing this faster than me and getting more out of it, I think.
I don't think anything broke though from those ramps.
No. We basically just loosened up what was already loose in there. Yeah, okay. Don't do any more damage. Don't do any more damage. Whoever does end up buying this is just cringing their teeth. No, stop breaking it, Abby. Okay, well, guys, if you like this, we'll have it linked in the description box below. It could just be a lemon. It probably is, but we have to be truthful with you. We have to be honest. We're not going to sugarcoat things and hold back. So if you enjoyed this video, if you made it this far, leave us a like. It helps the channel out a lot. How much does it help us out, Abby?
A bazillion times.
It helps us so much. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do so. We are very grateful for all of our subscribers and more so for our Patreon support. Stop it, stop it, stop it. We love our patrons. Thank you guys so much for the support because without you, we couldn't bring you content like this, keeping it honest, not having to sugarcoat things. Guys, thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.